Now substitute a naught an in 1, we get 1 implies, in place of f of x we have x, that is equal to L by 2 minus 4 by pi L square minus 4L by pi square cos L by nx by L by 1 square plus cos 3 pi x by L 3 square and so on. This is the required series. Now we have already seen a naught is equal to L, a1 is minus 4L by pi square 1 square, a3 is minus 4L by pi square 3 square. Now we are going to deduct the given series by using Parshall's formula, deduction amma, by using Parshall's formula. From Parshall's formula, integral 0 to L f of x whole square dx is equal to L by 2 of a naught square by 2 plus sigma an square plus sigma an square. This is Parshall's formula. Now LHS is same, integral 0 to L f of x whole square dx is equal to L by 2 a naught square by 2 plus there is sigma is here. Sigma means you get series. Put n is equal to 1. First term a1 square. Sigma means plus n is equal to 2. You get second term a2 square plus n is equal to 3. You get a3 square and so on. Now you substitute these an, a1, a3 in the RHS. We get same. LHS is same. Integral 0 to L f of x means x square dx is equal to L by 2. What is a naught? A naught is L. Now it is a naught means L square by 2 plus a1. a1 is this. a1 square is there. Whole square చేసినప్పుడు plus అవుతుంది. Whole square means 16L square in numerator and pi power 4 1 power 4 in denominator. Okay, 16L square by pi power 4 1 power 4 plus a2 is 0. For evens we have 0, a2, a4 and these are all zeros. So 0 square plus a3 square is there. So whole square of this. a3 square means whole square of minus 4L by pi square 3 square you get. Whole square చేసినప్పుడు plus 16L square numerator, pi power 4 3 power 4. Okay. Now for the deduction you put same RHS and this is in integration ma. This is in integration with limits 0 to L. Now integrate this. What is integral x square dx? X cube by 3. What are the limits? 0 to L. Now apply 0 to L. Same RHS. So integrate x square. You get x cube by 3 with 0 to L. What we get? In place of x, first you put L. Now it is L cube by 3. Minus lower limit 0. 0 cube means 0. So we get only 1 by 3 L cube. L cube by 3. Okay. L cube by 3, that is equal to, now this is x cube means L cube by 3, that is and minus 0 is there, that is equal to, here in the RHS L square in the first term in numerator, L square in the second term in numerator, L square. So in all terms we have L square in numerator. So L by 2 into, bring that L square outside of the bracket, then first term becomes 1 by 2 plus this becomes second term 16 by pi power 4 1 power 4, third term 16 by pi power 4 3 power 4 and so on. Now here we have L cube by 3 only is equal to L square into L by 2 means L cube by 3, same terms 1 by 2 plus 16 by pi power 4 1 power 4 plus 16 by pi power 4 3 power 4 and so on. Now bring this L cube by 3, here into is there, into something is there, bring this L cube by 3 into LHS. Now we get L cube by 3 into 2 by L cube is equal to same terms. Okay, here L cube cancel అయిపోతుందమ్మా, 2 by 3 ఉంటుంది. In RHS we have 2 by 3. 2 by 3, here powers లేని టర్మ్ 1 by 2 కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ 2 by 3 మిగులుతుంది. ఈ 1 by 2 ని సైడ్ తీసుకురండి, minus 1 by 2 అయింది. రిమైనింగ్ దీస్ టర్మ్స్ యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ 16 by pi power 4 కామన్ ఉంది వీటికి. సో 16 by pi power 4 తీస్తే 1 by 1 power 4 plus 1 by 3 power 4 and so on. Now 2 by 3 minus 1 by 2 is gives 1 by 6. What is this? 2 by 3 minus 1 by 2 gives 1 by 6. Here it is 16 by pi by 4 into some value undi. So aa value ikkada odileste ikkada into kabatti bring it to LHS, you get pi power 4 by 6. Now what is its RHS is same. What is this value in LHS? Pi power 4 by 96. Now the last step, therefore pi power 4 by 96, this one pi power 4 by 96 is equal to 1 by 1 power 4 plus 1 by 3 power 4, which is the required result. Now, therefore this one, bring this side, pi power 4 by 96 is equal to this series 1 by 1 power 4 plus 1 by 3 power 4 and so on is the required series. In last problems we directly put x is equal to 0 or pi by 2 and so on, we get the series. But in this problem we use Parshall's formula, this one, to get the required series. Deduction, this is deduction. So we deduce this series from the application of Parshall's formula. Okay.